Is that blinking airbag light on your dashboard driving you crazy? You aren't alone. While it's tempting to ignore, that light is a critical safety warning. Before you head to the shop, here are 5 methods to troubleshoot the issue, but remember safety first. Always disconnect your battery before working, near any electrical, sensors or airbag components. Welcome back to Car Care Fix, the channel where we take the mystery out of automotive repair. Troubleshooting methods. Method 1. Battery reset. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15-30 minutes to allow the car's computer to reset. Method 2. SRS scanner direct diagnosis. Use an OBD2 scanner with SRS, supplemental restraint system, capability to read and clear specific fault codes. Method 3. Key cycle quick reset. Turn the ignition to on, engine off. Wait for the light to turn off, then turn it to off. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Method 4. Check sensors, verify connections. Inspect seatbelt sensors, especially under the front seats, to ensure they are plugged in and free of damage. Method 5. Module connectors clean secure. Check airbag module connectors near the dash or seats for corrosion. Clean them and ensure a tight, secure fit. Important safety reminders. The airbag system is a complex, life-saving component. If you aren't comfortable working with vehicle electronics, do not attempt these repairs yourself. When in doubt, consult a pro. If the light remains on after trying these steps, you likely have a deeper issue that requires professional diagnostic tools. Safety first. Never attempt to disassemble or bypass airbag components unless you are professionally trained. Consistency. Always ensure the battery is disconnected before touching any wiring or sensors to prevent accidental deployment. If this video helped you save a trip to the mechanic, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more professional repair tips. You've been watching Car Care Fix. Keep your car running right, and I'll see you in the next one.